What is up, you guys? It's Jessica, and in today's video we're just going to be doing like a little chit chat coffee get ready with me, or whatever it is that you're drinking, you know, whatever time it is, and night, day, yeah, you know. And if you guys are excited to do this little chit chat get ready with me and watch this look I created, keep on watching. And if you're enjoying while you're watching, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. I upload new videos at least 2 times a week. Anyways, let's get into it. I'm gonna do like 3 brushes, right? So what have you guys been up to? I feel like it's been about a week since I've recorded, so sorry. Please don't do that. I can't wait to get into my new little studio because this power strip down here, it's probably not safe. So, but what have you guys been up to? Like I said, it's been about a week since I've actually recorded, so I missed you guys. So what have you guys been doing? Did you do anything exciting over the weekend? I did. That was my first time using this, and oh, there we go. It's supposed to be the new KVD shake primer. It's the weirdest thing ever. So you got like some liquid here and some like black, I don't know, and then you're supposed to shake it, and then one little drop, I guess, is supposed to be your eye primer. But anyways, did you guys do anything exciting over the weekend? I did. It's been a little exciting. I've been trying to get my studio ready. Hopefully by the 1st I will be in there. Been painting, and I don't really have much decor for it yet. Got all my like little signs and stuff that can go on the wall, and so it's gonna be a little bit work in progress. So if I don't get 3 videos up this week, I'm sorry, you guys. If for the next like maybe 2 weeks, it might be only 2 videos. So other than getting my studio ready, we have a privacy fence, and just over the years it just gets dirty, you know. And so we were power washing it, and then I gotta stain it still, because now it's, when you power wash wood, it's kind of like unprotected, and so you gotta protect it again. So that's something I've been working on over the weekend as well. We just put in a new window in our garage. We have it's a really decent garage. It's not even like a 2-car garage. It's got like, so it's basically, let's just say this is the garage. Like here is the garage door, and all of this is just space, like a workspace area. So, and there's no window or anything, and it's pretty dark, and yeah. So finally, I don't know why, but he just got the idea, hey, we're just going to put in a window there. So we did that. We might get in trouble though, not gonna lie. We didn't pull a permit. You're supposed to pull a permit. You know, is in your area, are your guys' like neighbors just moving? Like we've got 1, 2, 3 new neighbors in our neighborhood in the past like week. And then so the ones behind us that just moved in, the people left them a nice huge garden. And the guy is like, well, guess I'm gonna have to learn how to grow a garden. Yeah, guy. It's at this point though, it's really not hard. You just kind of gotta water them and maybe give them a little bit of nutrients, because they're already basically grown. You just don't want them to die. Next year though, they're not gonna grow back or anything, so he doesn't really have anything to worry about. I'm very proud of my garden, and what am I doing? I keep just packing on this brown. I don't need to. But I have a lot of tomatoes, and even over at the other house, we have some like wild tomatoes. I didn't even know tomatoes can grow wild. Nobody planted them, you know, so. But anyways, got a bunch of tomatoes, and so over the weekend as well, I did some home, I guess it would be home canning. I don't know, I canned my own whole tomatoes. That was my first time canning, so that was fun. I'm gonna stop there because I'm not really going. I just gotta go to the grocery store, so yeah, I don't need to look all fancy and failing. It actually just came, I think, yesterday, and so I'm excited for this. Bailey's almost at 3 million subscribers. Go her. That girl's killing it. So, back to the whole canning thing. It takes a lot of tomatoes to make even one little pint. I think it's like 2 to 3 pounds for 1 pint jar, which is like similar. Like this is not a pint. Is it a pint? No, not a pint, but you get the idea. Like the similar length, size. Anyways, it's a lot of tomatoes. I thought I had a lot of tomatoes. Moving on. Like I said, I'm going to the. That was loud. Like I said, I'm going to the grocery store and to the other house to finish painting my studio. I just need one more top coat, I believe, on the ceiling, and I think that's it. Let's just, I don't know. I gotta go there. But we are going to put on this really quick. Shake, 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 shake. I've never tried this, so this could be a fail. I don't have primer on my face either. Like I said in the beginning, did you do anything exciting over the weekend? We also went to, here in Michigan, we have this, it's called the Eastern Market, and it's in Detroit, so we had to drive a little bit to get there, but we were on 75, which is like a highway, freeway, I don't know what you guys want to call it there, we call it I-75. And you just see this car smashed underneath this truck. And so I don't know if my boyfriend just had this intuition, I don't know, he stopped. Anyways, to find out, they hit a parked car. And I gotta find out if these people are okay, because it's kind of, anyways. So this couple, they must have been just going, I don't have any clear sheets, so we're gonna use, but the couple must have been going, I don't know if they're arguing or they were just going too fast and they lost control. But anyways, they ended up hitting this parked car, at least going 70 miles an hour. They were in the fast lane, so I'm gonna say maybe 80. Michiganders don't like to do the speed limit, especially. Yeah, and this is gonna be too light. Alright, bear with me while I tell the story. So anyways, he stops and gets out, runs across the highway. This is fragrance. Oh, jeez. So he gets across and there's also somebody else. They're already on the phone with the police, you know, getting EMS. And so they look like Casper. Oh, no. I need something to deepen this before I continue. Oh, children. I don't know. It looks... I did the shade match thing. So he runs across and he's over there and he's like, it's just smelling gasoline. It just reeks of gasoline. And he's like, dude, we gotta get them out of here or something. And if you look, the female was the driver. The steering wheel was so far, like I guess in her chest, she had passed out from not being able to breathe. Oh man. And then the guy, he was the passenger, and he was like almost over in her seat, and his arm, I guess, was all like twisted and just mangled, and oh. So they ended up leaning the car or the seat back so she could get somewhat of, you know, airway, like, so it wasn't so compressed and restricted. And then by then the ambulance had just got there, so you could hear them. I even heard them when I was across the highway. You could hear them saying, we need the jaws of life. So he ended up just hopping back over, and thankfully, you know, he did help, because she could have completely died from not being able to breathe. I mean, like I said, I gotta check to see if they're okay, and I feel bad that I haven't, but when I did look yesterday, there wasn't anything on it, so I'm not a true crime digger, so I don't know. And anyways, so he said that was like, he just had to stop. Like there was something that pulled him into that, like he just knew. I don't know. So I mean, like I said, and I'm thankful that he did, because if he didn't, who knows? You know, because like the people didn't seem to, like there was another guy that had stopped, and like I said, somebody else who was already calling the police or EMS or something, and they didn't really know what to do. They were just trying to help, but thankfully, I think anyways, actually, I should probably look up really quick. I need to. Let's see if I can find anything. I-75 accident by Eastern Market in Detroit, Michigan.
Here's a summary from Click on Detroit. Detroit, an ambulance stolen from Eastern Market was involved in a collision Sunday afternoon. Detroit police officers saw the ambulance exit I-75 where the driver lost control and the ambulance rolled over and struck another vehicle.
That's not what, no, but dang, that was also last year. Nope, okay, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to do some more digging, but I don't see. So I'm just taking, not that this matters, but I'm taking whatever's left over in my bronzer brush and just kind of warming up my whole entire face. Unfortunately, I do not know if they, the guy must obviously, not, I wouldn't say obviously, he could have had some internal or you never know, but I would love to hope that they both survived. And it was only them because, like I said, they hit a parked car on the side. So, sponge, sponge, sponge. But we did end up making it to the market. And the whole point of us going to the market was to get flowers because my boyfriend is an architectural landscape and design. Wait, what is he? Architectural landscape and yeah. He owns his own like business of architectural landscape and design, and so flowers and everything, and Eastern Market is a good how do I want to word this? And a place that you get, I mean, your flowers and stuff for cheap. You can get vegetables and everything for cheap. So actually that's what we did, because when we got there, guess what? Yeah, flowers and stuff are only on Saturday, and we went on a Sunday. So that's okay. And then, so that's pretty much, that wraps up my weekend. So, let me know down below what you guys do, because I had an eventful weekend. And then today, like I said, I'm going to the grocery store, and I'm going to finish up painting. Eyeliner, eyeliner, eyeliner. I need to do a declutter. Oh, very beauty, that works. You're not the eyeliner, you're an eyebrow. Decluttering coming soon, promised. Alright guys, I know this video was just kind of me rambling and talking and everything. I missed you guys, and like I said, been a little bit busy, so you may only get 2 videos a week for this week and next week. Actually, you are only going to get 2 this week because we missed Monday. But anyways, hopefully once my studio is all set, we'll be kicking and rolling with the 3 videos a week. But that's going to be it for this video. There should be like a little floating head or something if you guys want to subscribe to see more videos from me if you haven't already. And if you want to binge watch some of these, there will be some playlists or videos that you can. Because we are so close to being monetized. And I don't know why I went with this red lip. I love you guys. I shall see you. Ooh, we're going to fix that. But I shall see you in the next video. Bye guys. And it's now Wednesday, so yeah, Wednesday to Wednesday, that's a week. What? What? Come on. Good girl, come on. Oh. No? She just scared herself. Oh, I love my little girl. Oh. Yeah, I'm Kelly. Oh, I'm Kelly.